So cleaning and priming the engine. The wonderful thing about being a Downstate here is that we've got everything that we need to do it. So we've got all sorts of media blasters, we've got the vapor honing here for the smaller bits, we've also got the portable sandblaster outside. So that's probably what we're going to do for the majority of the engine. First of all, degrease it, jet wash it, get all that gunk off it, and we'll take it outside. With that portable sandblaster, we can easily shake off any kind of loose paint or anything that needs doing. So that's a brilliant opportunity to use that here. And the beauty of it is as well, if we've only got 10 days to do the build, it saves us having to obviously strip the entire engine down to its carcass. And it means that we can leave all the bolts in and just do a quick job and then cover it with VHT paint. Obviously the proper way would be, if we had time, unlimited time, we'd strip the entire engine down, like I said, all the way to the carcass and then send it to the powder coaters. But now that solution is a great solution for both quick jobs, and if you're not that confident as well to actually strip your engine down, this is a good solution for that. It works wonders. So for people that want to get into building motorcycles who may not have even picked up a wrench before, the advice I'd give to them is start off small. Get to know your bike. Get to know how to do an oil change, a spark plug change, and gradually build from there. I think the more you change the parts, the more confident you'll get. Soon enough you'll be changing your levers, you'll be changing your bar grips, you'll be changing your bars even. And even out of practice, disassemble your bars, put them back on, even if it's the same one, just do it time and time again. And it gets to be a habit, and you get to know your bike a lot better. And with each step that you take, you gain a bit more confidence. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily advise anyone to strip a bike down completely down to the bare frame and end up with a pile of parts that you don't know what to do with. But just, work your way slowly and gain that confidence that way.
Yep, you guessed it. Tap that like, write up some comments, hit the subscribe button, sound that bell, and share this with all your garage buddies. And check out these videos right here. And also be sure to check out DimeCityCycles.com. Thanks for watching.